Hello everyone, and today I want to show you how to attach and remove bands on your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Let's get started. And for that, let's just flip the watch to see its back part, and here we can see these two buttons. So to remove bands, we just need to press and hold the button and then just slide the band to this side. Let me show you. So I'm pressing the button and sliding the band to this side. Just like that. And now let's do the same on the other side, and it's gone. So this smaller part goes on the upper part of your watch and this bigger band goes on the bottom. And to put it in the correct position, you just need to check for these letters on the bands. Let me show you this closer. Here you can see these white letters. If you can't see them, then you will need to flip your bands like that and insert in the watch. So for that, just simply slide the band to the side as before and you will hear a slight click. Just like that. And that's it. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.